Alrighty, here we go. Your full weather forecast brought to you by Ruth and Webby's Restaurant in Hancock. Now hiring for all positions. As we get into things this afternoon, we've had showers tracking for the southwest and going toward the north and east. So it's starting to clear out of here now. We'll still have a few clouds today, but some sunshine will also peek out. So any sprinkles this afternoon will be very little in coverage. So we will see some sunshine and calmer weather during the afternoon. As we zoom things out, the bigger picture though, we have a cold front across the northern parts of the U.S. now. Another front to the south. This wave here will allow us to see some rain, especially as we head towards tomorrow. Meanwhile, though, we have Hurricane Idalia, though, that's really getting its act together. It's now a Category 1 hurricane at the very least. It's expected to intensify into a Category 3, possibly a 4 coming up soon. So let's break this down a little bit more. We have two hurricanes we have our eye on. This is Hurricane Franklin that's moving out towards sea. It won't give us any issues, though. But meanwhile, though, we're watching parts of Hurricane Idalia, though, is tracking off towards the north. That will give issues to Florida. So that area will need to watch it very closely. Here's the latest advisory that's in 80 miles per hour, moving to the north at around 14 miles per hour, and intensifying to a hurricane earlier this morning. Meanwhile, though, here's Franklin weakening a bit now at 130 miles per hour, moving towards the north and northeast at around 9 miles per hour. But our focus again, Idalia with hurricane warnings in the red and tropical storm warnings over in the orange. That projected path takes it through Florida sometime between Wednesday morning and maybe early afternoon at best. So those areas there, if you have anyone that goes down to Florida, make sure they're being watchful of that, though. Stay out of the way of that hurricane. If you know anyone in Florida, make sure they're paying attention to this as well. And even along the coast, there will be some issues along the southeastern coast as well. But meanwhile, with Franklin, maybe some rip current issues along the eastern coast, and that's about it. With Bermuda, though, under a tropical storm watch for the time being, the worst of it will stay away from the mainland there with that island, so they will be okay moving forward. But Futurecast back here at home, just some sunshine and clouds mix today, maybe a raindrop at best. But later on tonight, clouds move in yet again. The showers get going throughout the daytime period for your Wednesday. This latest rain kind of delays the rain until later on into the daytime period, though, with some heavy downpours possible in a few spots, maybe even a rumble of thunder by late afternoon as well. And then by Wednesday night, though, we'll start to see a lot of this taper off and the clouds clear out of here as we start things off for your Thursday. How much rainfall can we possibly see? Maybe up to an inch or so before we're all finished up. Locally, higher amounts cannot be ruled out in a few spots. So for today, here we go. Upper 70s, partly cloudy, slight chance for a sprinkle still, with a south wind getting up to around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, showers possible late. This might stay dry, though. We'll have to keep an eye on that, though. Otherwise, mostly cloudy, temperatures in the mid-60s, areas of dense fog, and the wind overall looking nice and calm. Tomorrow, upper 60s, maybe some lower 70s, rain likely, thunder possible, wind overall looking nice and calm. Ruth and Webby's Restaurant extended forecast, lots of sunshine Thursday, highs in the lower 70s. We'll hold on to the sunshine Friday with highs in the mid-70s, and then upper 70s to lower 80s Saturday with a partly cloudy sky.